Hi everybody, welcome back to my craft room here at Creative Girl Vintage. I'm Tammy, and today's video is going to be a little bit different because I'm not going to be crafting anything, but I'm going to be talking about some fun things to craft with. I've been accumulating some things here for the last week, and I really like them and wanted to share them with you. And I know in this crafting community that if you guys were here right now with me in my craft room, this is the stuff that we'd be talking about and we'd be sharing. So let's spend a little time and hang out together for a few minutes, talk about creativity and some fun things to craft with. All right, so the first thing I want to share is my order from the website Red Lead. Now, I'm not getting anything or getting paid anything to do this. I'm just doing it because this company just goes above and beyond, and I feel they deserve to be acknowledged for that, and I really want to share that. So you've heard me talk about them before because we do a lot of paper crafting over here, and there's a lot of you that don't have printers and don't have ways of getting a lot of images to make these little ornaments or journals or whatever we're doing with the paper images. And they offer a huge variety of sheets that are printed and mailed to you in the physical mail. So that's really good to know, and I love passing that out, that information out to you because it's really helpful and the stuff is really gorgeous. And also, this is where I get all my rubber stamps. And so here's my little collection right here. I keep all my little Red Lead stuff separate because it's so special. So it gets its own little spot. And so yeah, the best rubber stamps ever. Here's how your envelope comes, you guys. Look at this. Look at this on the back with the Halloween stamps. Is this not gorgeous? When you go out to the mailbox and see this, it completely brightens your day. I got to tell you right now, it is just, you just can't wait to rip into your package. So all of the rubber stamps come in a little box that's all stamped up for you. Here's some of my boxes. I save them. I mean, look at how sweet these are, and I keep little crafting supplies in them in my drawers. Aren't they beautiful? So let's open this up and I'll show you the new stamps that I just got. So I got a letter from Paris. I've been working on a journal that has a lot of vintage ephemera, and so I thought this stamp would be really cute on this old envelope and in my journal. And this is a stamp of a tag, and then a little saying here, wishing you a fine little day. And just to show you what that looks like, here's the stamp and I just took the second stamp and stamped right in the center. So this is a cute little thing to put on packages or just for any reason. I adore rubber stamps. They are so fun. So now it doesn't stop there, you guys, because inside, tucked inside, it says, "Thank you for your order. A free gift just for you from Chris and Sharon." Okay. This just makes you feel like it's your birthday or Christmas or something because all this sweet little stuff. This right here, look at this. Oh my goodness. It's like, look at these. Look at these little charms, little Halloween charms, owl, squirrel, pumpkin, skull and crossbones, a little crown. Aren't those so pretty, right? This is a little library pocket, and they tucked inside a little vintage photo and blank tags in here for projects. And it says here, "Dear Art Girl, if you love your order, please tell a friend." And that's exactly what I'm doing right now. There is a sheet of images in here with just a darling little Halloween girl and a witch and these scary little people you can put on tags and little stamps. Absolutely beautiful. And then another little sheet inside with project ideas. So you guys, Red Lead, I'm going to link them below. So definitely, if you're looking for anything like this, make this your first stop because you're not going to be disappointed. My next little crafting share comes from one of my favorite Etsy shops, Sweet Gildings, and the lovely Catherine. We go back a long way as Etsy sellers, and she sent me these packages of gorgeousness that she thought I could craft with, and I definitely am going to. I've got some snowmen coming up, and I'm going to implement some of this sparkle into those snowmen. So I just recently purchased a bracelet from her shop that was for one of my friends, and she just went crazy for it. So everything is just feminine and beautiful and sparkly. Oh, it's just the way I like it. So Sweet Gildings, if you're looking for some sparkly bling for your projects, go over and give Catherine some love. So my last little haul was from Michael's. I didn't get a lot, but I liked what I got today though. And I found this velvet ribbon. This is really pretty, isn't it? This is kind of the neutral color, which I love. And this just would be so pretty with like a sprig of evergreen. And I also picked up, they had it in this dark green as well, this beautiful Christmassy green. I figured that we're going to be able to find something to do with this for some projects for the holidays. So the pretty velvet ribbon, which I'm always pleased to see. And another thing about it, it's like really soft, and it's not like that real stiff velvet ribbon. It's just flows. I like that. The next thing I picked up was when we did the Halloween project. Remember we had a really pretty sparkly black tulle? Well, they had this today in the red. This is so festive and is going to be so pretty on some Christmas projects, but they had it in a lot of other colors too. So I just love this, and I'm putting it in my stash because I know we're going to put this to work because this is just really pretty. So the next thing I picked up, the front of the store where they do that little area, there's kind of like little bins up there up by the candy. They had these little packages, 16 pieces of these wood things here, these little like just little squares. So you have like a little base, like if you're wanting to build up on it, layer up on it and make a project. And they were $4.99, but I had a 30% off coupon, so I got them I think for $3 something. And so that was pretty good for 16 pieces. And I seen the hearts sitting there and I walked away, but then I went back and got them because, Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and when you go looking for these around Valentine's Day, they won't be there, right? That's kind of like how it works. And so the last thing I just wanted to show you was, this is a wired ribbon, and as far as Halloween ribbon goes, this is a really good one, you guys. I mean, sometimes you see them and they're like, oh, okay, this was really good. And so I have on my front porch here, let me show you this. That's my little concrete cat. I found him years ago at a craft show. There was this little man that actually made all sorts of little things like that, and I just treasure it. And every year he gets a Halloween bow. So when I saw this ribbon here, which, hey, not only for bows, this could be so nice to use like on a tag, or just as a background to something. Very nice ribbon. So you guys, thank you for hanging out with me today. I had a couple little things I wanted to share. I didn't want to make a huge long video, so I hope you enjoyed it. And if this is something that you like, please give this video a thumbs up. I always appreciate that. And like I said, I have snowmen coming up, a snowman project. He's going to be super cute with a lot of little things you can find at the craft store, and I think you're going to enjoy it. So until then, I will see you on our next creative project. Bye for now.